for Wednesday. You two in Elevation. Hoping alright, enjoying your day so far. And the week is flying by, probably because yesterday it felt like a Saturday or the weekend because we were so busy all day long. The voice is a little bit raspy today, that's just because of all the shouting, and my feet are so sore and swollen that I'm walking about with no shoes on. People keep saying to me today, Noxie, are you really that short?
Não te bato agora. Não estávamos no meio do campo da avenção ainda agora. Tudo verdinho. Esquerda, 100 km direito. Serra Algarvio ou em Pessanha?